What's up guys, it's Matt from TDM Style here, and welcome back to the channel for another kind of first impression style video. And today we've got another upcoming product from Steven the Salon Guy, and this time it is a volumizing shampoo. So, volumizing shampoos are nothing new. I mean, there are a ton of them out there. And the way that they work, if you aren't familiar with it, is that they actually extend your hair shaft. So what that translates into is, thicker feeling hair. It just plumps the hair up and it gives you that volume that we're all looking for, right? But the flip side to that for most volumizing shampoos is that they can be very drying. So usually if you use one, your hair is going to feel just, squeaky clean, and it's just going to be dry. It's not going to feel soft. It's not going to have a nice shine to it. And so you really generally need to pair them with like a really good conditioner to kind of balance that out. But I was talking to Steven the Salon Guy, and he's working on a few more upcoming products that are not out yet. One of which is a hair repair spray, which I have that one too. Another video coming about that soon, and spoiler alert, it's fucking superb. More on that later, but the other is this volumizing shampoo. Now, the shampoo is here. The color is changing, so I'm not going to comment on that. The scent is also changing, so we won't comment on that either. Those are going to be totally different in the final product, but the formula itself is staying the same. And in terms of the formula, Steven did tell me that this is going to be sulfate-free, paraben-free, and silicone-free, and it's also a vegan formula. Now, he is also going to be releasing a conditioner alongside of this, but he sent this to me right away because, we were talking about this, and he was explaining to me about, these volumizing shampoos, and he said that this kind of surprised him in that it does all that volumizing, but it doesn't dry the hair out. In fact, quite the contrary. He said it leaves your hair feeling super soft, and it's going to be super clean, but it's not going to be dry. And so I'm going to test this out today, just the shampoo alone. I'm not going to use any conditioner. I'm not going to use any pre-stylers or anything. As you can see right now, my hair is pretty full of product. Doesn't look that cute right now. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair down. We're gonna put this in, rinse it out, and then I'm just gonna blow dry it. No pre-stylers, no products, no nothing. And we're gonna see exactly how well it cleans, how well it volumizes, and if it really does make your hair feel soft and shiny afterwards, unlike basically every other volumizing shampoo that I've ever used. All right, let's do it. All right, here we go. My hair is good and saturated, as you can see. As you can imagine, it's kind of difficult to wash my hair down here on camera, but we're fucking doing it for science. All right, so here we go. Use basically my normal amount. That might be a little more than normal, but that's okay. All right, here we go. The other thing is, now this is lathering fairly nicely. Naturally, since I'm not in the shower right now, my hair isn't necessarily quite as saturated as it would be if I was under running water. So I feel like this may or may not lather a little bit more when you're actually in the shower and you have a lot more water in your hair. But I can say right now that I can feel it breaking up the product for sure. Because my hair was feeling honestly pretty greasy before I started doing this, and it's already feeling pretty clean. The other thing is it feels clean right now, but it doesn't feel overly squeaky clean, so I think that bodes well for the not too drying effect. All right, well, I'd say that's definitely worked in enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and then I'm gonna come back here and we're gonna blow dry that bitch, and we are gonna see what happens. All right, so we're back with rinsed out hair. I just towel dried it a little bit, so we're just gonna quickly run a brush through here and then fire up the blow dryer. So this is nice. Normally if I use a more drying shampoo, and not some kind of smoothing pre-styler, even like this with the wide bristles will catch some knots. So the fact that this is brushing through completely smoothly is a nice little surprise. All right, here we go. Ooh, girl. Well, hello. So I think the fucking volumizing worked. Holy, look at that. Damn! That's like honestly ridiculous. I mean, like, if you ever wanted to rock that like Johnny Bravo quiff,
man, I'm pretty,
this will do. And look at, like, it is no joke, like my hair is so soft right now. There are no tangles. It feels so light and it feels super clean. I really hope that this is coming across on camera. It feels squeaky clean, but it feels moisturized and soft and like no tangles at all. And I feel like I'm like looking in the monitor, it even like it has shine to it, like natural shine. Like I honestly, like I could just finish this with like a hairspray and be done. I mean, and I did most of this with just the vent brush too. Like I used the round brush a little bit at the end, just to smooth out like my cowlick area here, and like back here I have a little bit of a cowlick. But most of this was just the vent brush, and normally it's like near impossible for me to get this much volume with just a vent brush. Whew, man, I am like shook right now. I'm like blown away at how well that actually worked. Honestly, I did not expect it to be this soft and moisturized feeling from just a shampoo, and just a volumizing shampoo especially. Like, no joke, man. And just like how smooth it came out without any pre-stylers or anything. I mean, literally just shampoo, a blow dryer, and a vent brush, and it looks fucking amazing. Like I just came from the salon. Yeah, so I don't know many other details about this yet. We don't have an exact release date. As I mentioned, you know, he's redoing the color of it and the scent entirely, so I'm not sure how long it might take. I don't know what this is going to be called yet. But this stuff, I mean, as far as I'm concerned, it's going to be fucking stellar. And especially, I can only imagine like the conditioner that's going to be paired with it is just going to make this look and feel even better somehow. So yeah, super stoked for that drop. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make this little bottle last, because this, I can't get over it, man. Like I keep looking at it in the mirror and I feel like just totally vain and like terrible, but like my hair feels amazing right now. Well, that about wraps things up for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will absolutely be keeping you guys posted on this. If I get any more details from Steven as far as a release date and stuff, I will be sure to let you all know. Be sure to stay tuned to the channel. Got lots more exciting reviews and other things coming up soon. And once again, I just really want to say thank you to all of you for your continued support. I still can't get over the fact that we broke 10,000 subs. I really honestly never thought that that would happen. So I'm super excited about it. Thank you all so much. Thanks for coming by, and we'll see you at the next one.